It really isn't as hard as you're making it. We all have a tendency at times to make things more difficult than they need to be. And that need not be. Here it is. It happened. You didn't like it. It was a violation of your boundaries. It didn't honor who you were. Somebody didn't keep their agreement, or you failed to make an agreement. So there's nothing to hold anyone accountable to. You felt bad about it. They felt bad about it. Now you're left feeling bad. But it doesn't have to be hard. Here's the choice. Let go and move on, or hold on and stay stuck. It's just that simple. It doesn't have to be hard. You get to choose. Let go and move on, or hold on and stay stuck.